Welcome back to Tecnoguías. In this video, I am going to show you how you can estimate your Google password and the way if you save it, you can find it. This will help you both on your PC, on your cell phone. The first thing we are going to do is go to where it says manage your Google account. Once we are here, we are going to security, the fourth option, okay, and to the slides. Here we can see here, and here go to search Google, okay. But first you must verify if you're on PC, if you are on a cell phone. It's many now ask you for that will be all, guys. You can get the password here. Thank you for watching.